Welcome to the Full Stack Development Bootcamp. In this program, you will learn how to build complete web applications from front-end to back-end using modern technologies and industry practices. We will start with HTML5, CSS3, and JavaScript to understand how user interfaces are structured and styled. You will then move into responsive design, DOM manipulation, and modern ES6 JavaScript concepts. On the front-end side, you will work with frameworks like React to build dynamic and component-based user interfaces. For back-end development, we will cover Node.js, RESTful APIs, server-side logic, and database integration using technologies such as MongoDB or MySQL. You will also learn about Git version control, API integration, authentication systems, deployment workflows, and basic DevOps practices. Throughout the bootcamp, you will work on real-world projects, building scalable applications, and learning how front-end and back-end systems communicate through APIs and data exchange. By the end of this course, you will have the skills required to design, develop, and deploy full-stack web applications in a professional development environment. Let's get started.